What's up everyone, Ethan Nader here, and with me I have the Blade InFusion 120. I figured I would make a quick little flying video of it just because it is the new release from Blade, and it honestly is a really fun micro helicopter. I would honestly put it in between the MCPX BL2. It's almost just like that in terms of aggressiveness, just a lot more head speed, and the direct drive power system is really nice to have as well. But one thing to note, this helicopter right here is a pre-production helicopter. So as you can see, it has a plastic head block and plastic swash plate. The production ones have a CNC metal head block and metal swash plate, which improves on basically its rigidity and how precise it is in the air. So just keep that in mind whenever you see this video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get flying. Also, I have no cameraman with me today, so you are going to be watching from a tripod. Thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time.